preso na yan na maraming beses. Ito sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ikaw nakakulong ka sa bikutan, kahit sabihin sa'yo, na sabihin ang buwan ay itim, no? Pag nandun ka sa kulungan, sasabihin mo yung buwan itim. No? Sa madaling sabi, you have been deprived of liberty nga eh. Di ba? Liberty on anything. Liberty to move, liberty to go out of that place, and even liberty to talk. Bawal sigawan yung gwardya, bawal magmura sa kung hindi mo dapat murahin, di ba? So, you know, when we're looking at testimony coming from somebody na nasa kulungan, siguro pag-isipan natin na mabuti as representatives of the people, as district congressmen, ito si Roland, abogado, dapat, you know, pag-isipan natin talaga bang tama yan. Kasi baka maulit na naman yung nangyari kay Secretary Laila de Lima, di ba? Na lahat ng mga testigo sa kanya, baka nasa kulungan eh. Ano nangyari? 6 na kaso yata yun, tapos dahan-dahan, nawawala yung testigo. Nung nagbabago yung warden, nagbabago rin yung testimony, ganyan. So, anong point? Dapat may corroboration. Hindi pwedeng sinabi lang nitong isang nasa pihitan na ganito nangyari. Kailangan, may binabanggit siyang pangalan dito, Colonel Nicolas, kung sino-sino yung mga iba dyan. Dapat magtestigo rin sila na tama yung sinasabi niya, na totoo nga yung sinabi niyang nangyari. Di ba? Marami akong nakikitang problema dyan. Hindi ko na lang isa-isahin kasi doon na lang sa hearing, baka puntahan namin ng hearing at siguro tanungin din namin siya. Kasi maraming inconsistencies, no? At bottom line, dito sa mahabang affidavit niya, kukunti lang yung pertaining to the period when Vice President Sara was Vice President. Again, yung complaint affidavits at yung complaints that were judged sufficient in substance must be limited to the period when she was Vice President. Kasi ba't mo siya impeach for when she was Mayor? Hindi naman impeachment ang Mayor. Diba? So it has to be that period when she was Vice President. Tinitignan namin yung portion that he talks about, yung nagde-deliver siya ng pera. No? So, yung deliver lang ng pera, una-una, hindi siya sigurado magkano talaga yon. Sinabi siya, nasa loob ng bag, linagay niya yung kotse, dinala niya yung kotse sa isang lugar. Tapos, nawala yung kotse, kinabukasan, nakita niya, minamaneho ng ibang tao. O baka hiniram yung kotse, baka, tignan niyo rin yung kaniyang affidavit. Huwag na ako, Pag-aralan niyo, tignan niyo kung kapani-paniwala yan. Kasi baka paputok na naman yan eh. And hindi maganda na focus tayo dito sa mga ganyan na dami natin problema tapos alam mo hindi naman pala totoo. Ngayon, yung pangatlo, yung intelligence funds, Alam nyo, nung ako nasa DILG, may intelligence funds kami doon, Congressman Franz Pumaren.
Confidential funds hindi isa.
Yeah, well, confidential intelligence is the same eh. The liquidation of confidential and intelligence funds is the same. There's no distinction. Intelligence lang ginagamit sa military, confidential ginagamit sa civilian organizations. Okay? Because we don't have intelligence officers. Pero we have confidential operations also. For example, PNP may intelligence fund. Kuminsan, yung mga cabinet members like DILG, meron confidential funds. Office of the President has confidential funds, for example. So, walang diferensya yan except sa gumagamit at saka yung liquidation pareho. Ngayon, sa naaalala ko kasi sa liquidation yan, number one, there are only two things that are required in the liquidation of those funds. Number one, the project title. Title, not even kung what it's about, title. Project Taurus, Project Scorpio, Project Pumaren. Hindi, bawal pa nga yun, pagpangalan eh. So, you just put in a project title and the officer in charge, the action officer for that project. Period. Bawal maglagay ng anything else, Bawal maglagay ng resibo, bawal maglagay ng kontrata, Bakit? Tignan natin, kung halimbawa witness protection, may confidential funds yan. Okay? Witness protection, pag liquidate mo yan, pag linagay mo yung pangalan ng witness, at linagay mo kung saan mo linagay siya dahil meron kang lease agreement. Kasi nagsasalta sila about lease agreements eh. Di ba? Bawal maglagay ng lease agreement kasi it will expose the operation. Ngayon, ito yan eh. Kung Congress has budgeted something, and this is approved by the President also, by the way, and the Senate, kung nag-approve ng confidential or intelligence funds, it means that a confidential or intelligence operation exists. Diba? Kasi anong papondahan mo kung wala naman nag-exist? So, if it exists, diba, then it becomes subject now to COA liquidation. Kami, kasi naririnig namin yung, nag-rent daw ng 10 bahay sa iba-ibang lugar on the same day, etc. Sa amin, ewan ko kung saan nila nakuha yun, pero bawal isama yun sa liquidation. Okay? You cannot do that in a confidential or intelligence fund liquidation. Okay? So, sa amin, dapat maghanap sila ng ebidensya na ginamit sa personal talaga. No? Na yung pera, linabas from the bank, no? By whoever is the bonded officer that's authorized. Tapos, kinuha ni BP Sara, linagay niya sa bank account niya. Or, ibinili niya ng kotse na nasa pangalan niya or something like that. And even that is not conclusive. Ano? Pero yun ang sinasabi namin. Kasi, ang feeling namin, natutulak ng husto ito. Kasi hindi naman ini-explain sa public, ano ba talaga ito? What is the offense and when is it an offense? Di ba? Kasi kung offense talaga yan, dapat dinis-authorize ng COA yan. Di ba? Kung dinis-authorize ng COA, ang remedy doon, ibabalik mo yung pera.
Opo. Meron pong tinagnan po ng COA, 73 million pesos po, hindi pa po binabalik ni BP Sara.
Okay, so the offense is hindi niya binabalik yung pera. Is that impeachable? You know? Yan ang tanong namin eh. Di ba? Okay yan eh. So, ang ano lang is, what is impeachable and what is not? Di ba? So, kung talagang may nakita yung code, dinisallow nila, no? Una-una, we're not allowed to look at the basis of the disallowance. Kasi nga, confidential and intelligence fund eh. Di ba? So, we take it at face value. Dinis-authorized ng COA. Disauthorized yan. Di ba? Pinababalik sa kanila. Kailangan nila ibalik. Di ba? Ngayon, ito bang nakuha niya, she was vice president or she was mayor?
She was vice president.
Okay, then she has to return it.